Good morning, students. Now, today we'll do the next topic from the chapter, clear? Body fluids and circulation, right? And the next topic is human circulatory system, right? In human circulatory system, the basic parts are heart, blood vessels, and blood, right? So, today I will discuss only about the heart, right? Now, this is your heart. Clear? If you will see, this is the diagram of the heart. The size of the heart is just like your fist. Clear? It's not a very large in size. It's a fist. And it has 4 chambers. Clear? How many chambers? 4 chambers. 2 on the upper side. We call it atrium or auricles. And 2 on the downside, which are called ventricles or ventria. Right? Now, on the left hand side, clear, the side which is on your right hand side, that is basically left side. So this is your left auricle, left ventricle. This is your right auricle, right ventricle. This left side is basically having the pure blood. Clear? So these are the vessels. You can say these are the pulmonary, clear, pulmonary arteries. Clear? This one pulmonary arteries. These are the pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins will do the opposite. They come from lungs and give the pure, or you can say oxygenated blood to the auricles. Then from the auricles there is one way or path, you can say, auriculoventricular aperture, through which the blood goes into the ventricles, right? Now this pure blood, then from this the blood goes to the body. This is your, you can say, left side. So left side of the heart is having pure blood, right? Then this pure blood goes in the body. From the body, the blood comes back into the, you can say, right auricle. Clear? This is your right auricle. From right auricle, this impure blood will goes to the right ventricle, and from right ventricle, this blood goes to the lungs for the purification. So this is how the blood is moving. And if we talk about the structure, so auricles open into the ventricles on both sides, but right and left side is separated by this partition. It's called septum. Clear? ये सेंटर में एक पार्टीशन है बेटा, we call it septum, clear, which separate right and left side of the heart. Then this wall of the ventricle, clear, the left ventricle is having the thickest wall out of the 4 chambers, because it has to supply blood to the whole body and it has to contract very fast. Clear? So on this side also there is an opening, clear, which is called auriculoventricular aperture. So this is basically the structure of heart. And the heart is made up of special muscles, you know. We have done muscular system and we call it cardiac muscles, right? So this is all about the heart and the flow of blood. Now, as you have seen that the blood is flowing 2 times from the heart. Firstly, it comes from lungs to the this left side. Then from left side, it goes to the body. Then from body, again it comes back to the right side. Clear? It means blood passes 2 times from the heart to complete 1 cycle. So what does it mean? That blood moving twice to the heart. So that's why we call it double circulation. Clear? What is double circulation? The heart passes 2 times or twice to the heart to complete 1 cycle. Clear, beta? So this is about the structure of heart and double circulation. Clear? Thanks and have a nice day, beta.